What?
You hate your jacket.
I do hate my jacket. It makes me look poofy.
No, it doesn't.
It does too. And you know it does.
That is the face of anger. What's your mad face? Show me your girl face.
I don't have a girl face.
Show me your girl face.
Brrr!
It's in Zoom, you idiot.
Good then. Oh my god.
And you got a face full of teeth. Ow!
Dude, that was like a freaking bullet. Dude, when you threw it, the wind was blowing that way.
Butt shot.
I hate you.
Consider it payback.
For what? Your butt shot never got on the internet.
Ow!
Ooh, we got another one.
Ow!
Down! Ow, you hit my face.
No, not this here. Ow!
What?
Nothing.
Are you gonna keep that thing staring on me the whole time?
Fucking Zoom. Kitty. Oh well, whatever. Oh well, whatever. You can take the camera whenever you want.
Oh, good, give me.
Ah! Sorry. I did not mean to hit you with a pecan there, I swear to God. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ow, my knee! Ow, my leg! Hey, you missed this time. Your hair's going wee!
I know.
Mine's worse than that. Yes, people, we haven't done hair, we haven't done makeup, we just kind of woke up and took a video. Whee!
That's fun.
Ah! I'm
I'm shaking her hair out. So.
I tripped on a branch!
I dropped my chopstick stuff.
You know what? I did not catch that.
Didn't catch what?
You're Russian? Ah!
Oh, that's terrible. See, I gained weight. I told you.
I have never screamed like that. Oh my god!
Oh my god! Whoa!
Lena, get back over here. You're sitting on me. Sorry. Ouch! We just... Wow, this trampoline must have been bad.
I'm gonna kill it.
No! You're gonna kill both of us! Oh god! Will you stop?
No.
Dude, we've killed it enough.
See anymore.
Ouch. Here, you can have the camera back now. I'm fat. That's what we just did. Fat ass. Look at that. Hey! Look at that.
Well, what's not
put down
fat?
makeup. Put down makeup.
It's chapstick.
Put down makeup.
It's chapstick.
What? Oh. The back to haunt me. I killed a beehive of yellow jackets. And ever since I've been haunted by a bee every day.
Shout out time.
Wait. I want to get my dead fish.
What? Your dead fish?
Ew, no, please don't. Yes, let go of my jacket.
Ew. I don't come.
This is what I did to the fish I just caught. All fishes beware, I will find you.
It's icky looking now.
It is. I took out its eyes too. And it's on my tree. What do you think about that?
Here. I think it's on our tree.
My tree.
Not your tree.
Shout out, Stephanie? Not really. Anyway.